Hello dears, Ola here. Today I'm going to show you how to create this love story layout using my Creative Scrapbook Special Edition kit. This tutorial is pretty simple and easy, and all beginners can do this. I picked 3 papers from the kit, all of them from Love Story collection by Prima Marketing. The first page I picked for the background, and with 2 others I will create some interesting layering. Sorry for my English, it's not my first language, but I really hope to explain you everything clear. As you see in the background in a soft and calm color, the second layer it's a little bit more strong color, and the third layer again soft and calm color. In this way we can get some contrast between the layers. Now I'm going to cover all the page with clear gesso to protect it before adding modeling paste and maybe some paints later. This beautiful stencil also was in the kit, and now I'm going to add some texture with white modeling paste. As you see, I already used this paper because it's not my first project from this kit. I'm going to cut some flowers from this paper, and with leftovers I will create a layering under the photo. To get more dimensional look, I will add a few chipboard pieces between the layers. I'm going to distress all the edges of these pieces. This technique gives me also more dimensional look. These beautiful journaling cards also were in the kit, and I already used a lot of them in my previous project. For this project I will pick only one. Now I'm going to darken the Fussy cut flowers edges with brown color ink. I also got these beautiful chipboard frames in the kit. There was one more bigger frame, but I already used it in my previous project. And these frames I am going to cover with embossing enamel by Stampendos. I really hope you can see this amazing color in the video. Now I begin to arrange all the elements and try to build a beautiful composition around the photo. I also got in the kit an ephemera die cuts from the same collection, and now I just try to pick some of them which I can use in this layout. I really liked this tag with a beautiful quote which perfectly matched to my layout, and because I didn't find where to place this tag around the photo, I decided to create some smaller cluster on the layout bottom. I think this flower is too big here, so just remove the bottom layer and make it a little bit smaller. I covered the photo because I'm going to add some splashes with teal color mist and then with white gesso diluted with water. That's it. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, remember to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about the process or materials, you're welcome to ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye!